if you have anyone suffering from epilepsy, you need just 2 ingredients. Number 1 of the ingredient is male cow urine.
He said after 21 days, anybody that tries this formula will be healed of epilepsy.
Yes.
Yes, so ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching this video and you know anyone that has epilepsy, please share this video. Please. This video is going to save life and save anybody that has epilepsy. You know, should not be until you get them, but if you share this video and you save life to someone else. So I'm here with one of, see, I don't know, I don't want to call him native, I don't want to call him Herbal. He once made a video for me on my former page. The video went viral. People called for different, people were, the testimonies were massive. So right now, I met him because he's always not around. And I was like, please just do one video. And he was like, okay. He has this one before another one. So, Abatunde, Maoga.
All right. You see, what I'm about to drop is something that if you have anyone with epilepsy, I know, yeah, spiritually, we don't even charge money for it because even when you
they know they collect money.
No, they don't charge. Yeah.
Why?
I said you won't make the Pikiwa go and get epilepsy now. So spiritually,
wait, they know they charge.
Yeah, they don't charge money for it. Anybody charging you money for epilepsy is scamming you. Sincerely speaking, you know, I once told you about, you know, when I was young, back then, University of Benin, I was in 200 level when I had an encounter that I have passion for this thing, and I just want to see people happy and get healed. I was even scam myself. You know, when you go to some herbalists, they will tell you this is how to do. They will even tell you they want to initiate you. But for me, you know, as I always say, I'm a scientist / herbalist, so I combine science. So whatever I want to share here is both spiritual and scientific. And, you know, we are not coming out. I don't come out to blab or in the name of content creation. And what you need to do is, if you have anyone suffering from epilepsy, please, this is the thing you have to do. Number 1, you need just 2 ingredients. Number 1 of the ingredient is male cow urine. Male cow urine and fresh leaf of tobacco. I repeat again, male cow urine, 1 liter. Fresh leaf of tobacco, Yoruba call it igbo. They plant it around, even in fact, in the West, it's very common. They use it to, you know, scare away snakes. So please get these 2 ingredients. Then you will squeeze the leaf inside the urine. You will squeeze it. Make sure that you squeeze everything inside the urine. Then leave it for 10 minutes. Please follow instruction. Squeeze the tobacco leaf inside the urine of 1 liter. The tobacco leaf is 1 kg of the leaf. I'm giving you the measurements now. Now, after you have squeezed it, now remove the water. Any debris inside, please remove it and put it inside a maybe keg or bottle. Now, you will be taking it at 30 ml every morning, 1 hour before that person will eat, will consume any food at all. Once they wake up, 1 hour, please. Do that for 21 days. See, the person will vomit the lizard. I know scientifically the epilepsy is something that, you know, is brain, it causes brain damage, depression. I don't want to go into that for now. But spiritually, you know, most people that are suffering from this thing are being attacked spiritually. And I'm telling you the truth. When you do this, these are the things I've been doing that so many people around me have seen solutions. So I'm releasing it to the world. We can actually, you know, package this thing inside a product. But the truth is, if I do that, maybe my children we have that thing, and I don't want to cause problem for my children. Please, what I just need is share this video. Let everyone enjoy this formula. Thank you.
That's
and
all.
God bless. That's all, bro. That's all. 21 days. Every morning. The thing is not easy to drink, oh. The thing is not easy, but the person will vomit it, and you will come and testify on your page.
Wait,
you understand?
when the person drink, I'm go vomit.
Baba, we will not talk too much. Maybe they go try this thing. You know, I don't do content, you know. I just follow you guys.
I know. Ladies and gentlemen, please, like he said after 21 days, anybody that tries this formula will be healed of epilepsy.
Yes. 30 ml. 30. See, they should follow instruction.
The cow urine.
Male cow.
So where they want to see male cow?
No, go to any abattoir. It's very easy. It's the easiest thing. Yeah, they will just ask any Fulani man. They will give it to you. It's even free. They will give it to you. All these things, you are not buying it.
They will give you
yes. The one I just healed recently, the woman spent, she bring it from, is it come? She said the farmer collected 4K to buy that stuff. Then the transport 2,000. That's 6,000 naira. So what is 6,000 naira to get healed of this embarrassment caused by epilepsy? So we are not blabbing, bro.
Go and watch again, or you go like take that process again.
Okay, let me take the process again. You know, please, I'm about to take the process again. Please follow. You need just 2 ingredients. The number 1 ingredient is cow urine, male cow, male, akọ in Yoruba, male. Then second one, you need tobacco leaf. We call it ewe taba. I don't know how they call it in Igbo. You know that kind of leaf.
Igbo.
You know, sometimes if you go say Igbo, we have different Igbo. But maybe they say tobacco, fresh tobacco leaf, the one that they plant around to take this thing, to scare them away. Are you getting me? Yeah. So please, when you get these 2 leaves, the urine will be 1 liter. 1 liter, please. Then the leaf will be what? 1 kg. 1 kg. Squeeze that leaf inside that urine. Please, do not add water. Do not add water. Squeeze it inside that leaf. Then leave it for 10 minutes. Leave it for 10 minutes. Then just remove it. You understand? Just like you are doing decantation. Yeah. So remove the water inside a bottle, any bottle of your choice. I don't know. And be giving that person 30 ml every morning. Please make sure that the person has not eaten before you give it to that person, whether it is male, whether it is female. 30 ml per day for 21 days. It might be.
What if somebody cannot do it? Can they contact you?
The truth is, we don't charge money for it. Anybody telling you they charge money for epilepsy they are lying. See, go and do these things. You see, people should be able to do things themselves sometimes. Okay. Because there are things, apart from epilepsy, you know that I they charge well.
I know.
I charge well. My list is 100,000 naira. You know that. Wow. Any epilepsy. In fact, there are certain infertility I don't even charge for also. But when you come for diabetes and the rest, what we do is, if you don't see healing, I refund your money. You know that. Sure. If you don't see healing, I refund your money. So this one is not something that for content's sake. Go and do this thing. It might be the 3rd day the person will vomit that thing. It might be the 7th day. I don't know.
More than 21 days.
So ladies and gentlemen,
share this video. Share this video.